Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this OnePlus 10 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game for it. As we all know, you are not able to download the Fortnite from the Play Store itself, so in order to get the game download file, you gotta open up any search engine you'd like. I'll just go with Google. Here, just type in Fortnite APK. Then on the result page, just look for the Epic Games web page. Here, just click on Get It on the Epic Games app. Wait for the Epic Games launcher to start the download process. Click on Download anyway. Open it up, and as you can see, we gotta open up the we gotta enable the download from unknown sources option in here. So we are going to the settings. Here, turn on the switch. Press on Install. Open. Here, just click on Get the Fortnite and install. So let's wait for the Fortnite launcher to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. So in here we have the same situation as we had with the browser. With the search engine, we gotta allow this app to download the apps, or should I say games, from unknown sources. So enable the switch once again, press on Install, and as we can see, the app has been successfully installed. So now the Fortnite is launched, and all that it's left to do is to wait until it will download all the required updates, and after that you will be able to start playing the game. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.